Hey y'all, how you doing? Fancy Pants here again. I have the most humorous story to tell you. Okay, is any one of you familiar with the clap-on, clap-off lights? So, not me. Obviously, I'm like old school, switch the switch on, right? So laying in dude's bed, middle of the night. Fucking lights going crazy, on and off, thinking, what in the fuck is wrong with this dude's house, you know? Is it fucking possessed? Like, what is going on with this shit? Well, you know, he all of a sudden, like, his butt starts clapping, like, farting non-stop. Lights going on and off. Like, are you fucking kidding me right now? Please stop with your shitting yourself, because this bitch needs some sleep. You didn't give me no good sex, but you're gonna keep me up all night with that ass clapping and turning the lights on and off? I think not. Wake the fuck up.